Hi guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am BC. I am a prep class tutor. In this video, we are going to be solving Loyola Jesuit College Entrance Examination Quantitative Reasoning Material 3 from question 11 to question 15. Subscribe to our channel, like and comment on our videos so that you can get more videos like this. Now let's begin. So in quantitative reasoning, you're given a set of samples to study before you can answer the questions. So the instructions says, study the samples below carefully and use it to find the missing numbers in the question that follow. So what does quantitative reasoning do? So quantitative reasoning helps you to think. It helps you to think. It's a measure of one's ability to use mathematical skills to solve problems. So for you to be able to solve quantitative reasoning problems, you need to think. You need to think very well. Okay, so let's look at the samples. The first one, the top numbers are 10 and 11, and then the bottom number is 24. So could it be addition? 10 plus 11 would give us 21. So okay, well, but 21 plus something could give us 24. Maybe 21 plus 3, 24. Okay, does it work with this? 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 will give us 20. Wow. Okay, so this one is 3. The other one is 2. Then what about this one? 11 plus 10 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. Oh, wow. I noticed something. So this one here, 16 plus 2 is 18. So we got an even number. So we add 2, add 2. But for the first and the third samples, the answers are odd numbers. So we have to add 3. So let's see how it is done. So to get the bottom number, find the sum of the top numbers. If the sum is an odd number, add 3. If the sum is an even number, add 2. So what are odd numbers? Odd numbers are numbers that end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. While even numbers are numbers that end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So let's look at this now. 10 plus 11 would give us 21. 21 is an odd number because it ends in 1, right? So we add 3 to odd numbers. We add 2 to even numbers. Okay, so 21 plus 3 is 24. So this means that it's correct. So we got it correctly. Okay, so what about the second sample? Because we need to know, we need to be sure that it works with the other samples before we go ahead and answer our question. So 16 plus 2 is 18. Is 18 an odd number or an even number? It is an even number because it ends in 8. So we add 2. So 18 plus 2 is 20. So the bottom number here is 20. So the logic works for sample A and sample B. So let's check sample C. 11 and 10 are the top numbers. So let's do 11 plus 10. 11 plus 10 is 21. 21 is an odd number because it ends in 1. So for odd numbers, we add what? 3. So 21 plus 3 is 24. And that is the bottom number here. So this means that to get the bottom number, add the top numbers. If the sum is an odd number, add 3. If the sum is an even number, add 2. So now let's go ahead and answer the question. So the first question in this video is question 11. So we're given one of the top numbers. The second top number is missing, and then the bottom number is 26. So how do we do this? Remember, to get the bottom number, find the sum of the top numbers. Add 2 if it is an even number, or add 3 if it is an odd number. So, but in this case, we are asked to find the missing top number. So, how do we do this? We are going to do bottom number minus the given top number, then minus 2 if the answer is even, or minus 3 if the answer is odd. Let's do that. So the bottom number here is 26. 26 minus the given top number, that's 3. 26 minus 3 is 23. What is 23? Is it an odd number or an even number? It's an odd number. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So 23 is an odd number. So what do we do to odd numbers? We subtract 3. So 23 minus 3 is what? 20. Now let's check if this is correct. Remember, you add the top numbers, then you add 3 if the sum is an odd number, or you add 2 if the sum is an even number. So Let's say 20 is here now. 20 plus 3 is 23. So 23 is an odd number. Now let's add 3 to it. 23 plus 3 is 26. So this means that we got it correctly. So the missing top number is 20. Okay, so which of the options is correct? A is 23, B is 20, C is 21, D is 24. The correct option is B, 20. Number 12. We are given the two top numbers as 6 and 12, and we are asked to find the bottom number. So from the samples, the bottom number is obtained by finding the sum of the top numbers, then add 3 if the number is an odd number, or add 2 if the sum is an even number. So the top numbers are 6 and 12. 6 plus 12 is 18. What is 18? 18 is an even number. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so 18 is an even number. So what do we do to even numbers? We add 2. So 18 plus 2 is 20. So the missing bottom number here is 20. I hope you're following. So which of the options is correct? A is 23, wrong. B is 20, check. C is 24, wrong. D is 21, wrong. So the correct option is B, 20. So number 13, we're giving one of the top numbers as 11. The second top number is missing, and then the bottom number is given as 28. So how do we do this? How do we find a missing top number? All we have to do is to say bottom number minus top number minus 2 if the answer is an even number, or minus 3 if the answer is an odd number. So let's do that here. The bottom number is 28. The given top number is 11. So 28 minus 11 is 17. Is 17 an odd number or an even number? It's an odd number. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So 17 is an odd number. So what do we do to odd numbers? We subtract 3. So 17 minus 3 is 14. So the missing number is 14. But how are we sure that we are correct? Now, remember from the samples, all you do is add the top numbers. If the sum is an even number, add 2. If the sum is an odd number, add 3. So let's do that. 11 plus 14 is 25. Is 25 an odd number or an even number? It is an odd number. So what do? We add 3. So 25 plus 3 is what? 28. So that is correct. So that means that we got it correctly. The missing number here is 14. So let's find out which of the options is correct. A is 17, B is 14, C is 13, D is 16. So the correct option is B, 14. Check. Alright, so number 14, we are given one of the top numbers as 4. The second top number is missing, and then the bottom number is 8. So how do we find the missing top number? Okay, so what we do is to do bottom number minus top number, then minus 2 if the answer is an even number, or minus 3 if the answer is an odd number. So the bottom number here is 8, the given top number is 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So what is 4? That is easy. Is it an odd number or an even number? It is an even number. Even numbers are numbers that end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So what do we do to even numbers? We subtract 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. But before we go ahead, let's see if it's actually right. Okay, so what we do is to add the top numbers, and then we add 2 if the sum is an even number, or add 3 if the sum is an odd number. So 2 is the missing number we got here. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is an even number, so let's add 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So that means we are right. The missing top number is 2. So which of the options is correct? A is 5, B is 3, C is 2, D is 6. So the correct option is C, 2. Check. Now the final question in this video, I hope you're getting it, because I would like you to pause this video and do it yourself. So the top numbers, so we are given one top number, which is 2. The second top number is missing, and then the bottom number is 6. So I would like you to pause this video, do it yourself, and see if you will get it. Okay, I hope you were able to get it. Alright, so let's do it together now. So to find the missing top number, all you have to do is to say bottom number minus top number minus 2 if the answer is even, or minus 3 if the answer is an odd number. Okay, so the bottom number here is 6, then the given top number is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Is 4 an odd number or an even number? It's an even number. So we subtract 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. But before we go ahead, let's see if this is correct. So we add the top numbers, then add 2 if the sum is an even number, or add 3 if the sum is an odd number. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 4 is an even number, so we add 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So this means that our answer is correct. So the missing number is 2. Wow. So you can see that quantitative reasoning questions are actually very easy. So which of the options is correct? A is 2, B is 3, C is 6, D is 5. The correct option is A, 2. So you can see that quantitative reasoning questions are very interesting and fun to do. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel. This is where you can get more videos like this. Till I come your way next time. Bye.